More BART news and what they're calling the fleet of the future. Now the riders can check it out in person. A life-size model of a new BART car will be open to the public starting tomorrow at Oakland's MacArthur BART station. ABC 7 News reporter Laura Anthony got a look today, and she has a preview.
The seats are made of plywood and it lacks many finishing touches, but this life-size mock-up shows what BART cars of the future will look like.
The middle is higher.
The layout is designed with the modern-day BART rider in mind. There are bike racks on board, and old paper maps will be replaced with high-tech digital monitors. And each car will have 3 sets of doors on each side rather than 2.
We're going to have like a vinyl-type floor, vinyl-type seating. And we're still working on the final product, but it'll be something that we can easily clean and keep the cars in pristine shape.
That will be a big relief to everyday riders like Berkeley's Natalie Morales. What are the seats like now?
They're all right. They're comfortable sometimes, they're dirty, but I mean, right now when I see the seats, they're just pretty new. They're pretty great.
The first thing Eric Shelton noticed was the smaller number of seats.
Well, at first I thought it was a bad thing, but the more I think about it and how congested it gets, and from what I'm being told with more trains, I think it's going to work out.
BART says there will be fewer seats, but only about 3% fewer. Eventually, with many more cars than the current fleet, overall capacity will actually increase. 2/3 of the components for these cars will be American-made, with final assembly in New York State.
We have a 66% domestic content, so of all the parts coming in, there's 66% are made in the U.S. The cars will be assembled in the U.S.
There will be a series of open houses at the MacArthur BART station for the public. The first cars will roll out in 2017 with total replacement scheduled for 2023. The project is 75% funded by the Metropolitan Transportation Commission, the rest by BART. In Oakland, Laura Anthony, ABC 7 News.